Pat, remember when buying stuff online was a novelty? Now it's all, add to cart, next day delivery. I want to build an e-commerce platform. Think I can?
Absolutely. But remember, it's like baking a cake. There's a recipe. First off, are you thinking custom built, or leaning towards platforms like WooCommerce, Magento or Shopify?
Custom, for sure. Go big or go home, right? Speaking of, what's the rage in the user interface world? React, Vue, Svelte?
Right on. Svelte's a new contender, offering efficient builds. Perfect for a seamless user experience.
And what about the central hub? Our backend?
Databases like PostgreSQL or MongoDB are gold. For backend magic, Node, JS or Django are top picks.
Dreaming big here. I want thousands of users shopping simultaneously.
Aim for the stars. Just keep load balancing in mind. It'll distribute incoming traffic, but more visitors mean higher bandwidth and storage costs.
Security's paramount, and the site has to run smoothly.
You're spot on. Regularly optimize content and be vigilant about potential security breaches. In e-commerce, you're always on guard.
Payments, smooth and secure. What's best?
Stripe, PayPal, Square, all solid picks. Make sure transactions are ironclad.
I've heard of GDPR, CCPA. It's all overwhelming.
The dance of legality in e-commerce is intricate. Based on your audience, specific policies are a must. They shield you and keep users informed.
And what about cookies? Not the chocolate chip kind.
Right. They're about tracking, not snacking. You'll need a clear cookie policy. And never forget a thorough privacy policy.
Any other legal stuff to iron out?
Yes. Your platform's rules? That's your terms and conditions. And always have disclaimers ready. They're your safety net.
But laws change, right?
Like the weather in spring. Always be up to date. Sometimes, a bit of legal advice won't hurt either.
Once we launch, then what?
Start with SEO and performance optimization. Organic reach is a journey. But if you want quick results, dabble in paid marketing. It's a game of constant tweaks.
Continuous learning and adaptation?
Exactly. Use feedback tools, evolve as needed. E-commerce is ever evolving, but with the right strategy, you'll thrive.
Sounds exhilarating. Here's to a digital adventure.
With the right mix of tech, strategy, and marketing flair, the e-commerce world is your oyster.